because a person's hair is super fine, super full, and super fluffy or whatever, doesn't mean that there's a relaxer that's responsible for making the person's hair grow. Scrap that. If you ever think that, like, shred that idea now and put it in the bin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. Let's just get right into this video. The products I'll be talking to you about today, they are from a Nigerian brand here, and they are called Naturesgentletouch. If you've heard of them before, please comment down below if you love their products and if you've used any of their products. The first one I'll be using today, or I'll be talking about, is this Harbalblend deep conditioning cholesterol treatment for your hair. Now, I loosened my hair yesterday. What I did was to apply a generous amount of shea butter. You all know what shea butter is. Ori oil. It's like an African thing. We use it here all the time. It gives your hair strength to be able to withstand all that heat and stuff like that. So yeah, I applied it last night and I sort of like allowed it to stay up until this morning. Now, first thing I want to do is to section my hair in parts and start applying the shampoo. So the last time I retouched this hair was in November, and so it's almost about 12 weeks now. So I'm still going to wait till the end of January so that I can go and get the relaxer. So I'm just trying to section my hair in parts, get you ready for shampoo. The instructions behind it says, or directions rather, it says apply small amount of Naturesgentletouch Care Conditioning Shampoo to wet hair. Massage thoroughly to create a rich lather. Rinse and towel dry. Then apply the deep conditioner. So I'm going to spray some water onto my hair. So I'm going with this first part, and I have my water here. It's not a lot, but I could have easily just gone to the bathroom to apply water, but I just want to show you guys. I'm going to spray this water on all sections of my hair and make sure my hair is wet as the instructions have clearly stated. So guys, now I will be bringing out the shampoo. I really love how the packaging is looking, and this one is in 25 ml, so it's a lot, I think. Yeah, so now I'm just going to press open, and it comes with a pump, which is actually really good. It means that I have control over the amount of product I will be using for each section of my hair. And after that, and did I mention that this stuff smells so good? Now I'm going to massage this onto my scalp just as the directions in the bottle stated, to massage thoroughly into your hair. And I'll be doing this for each section of my hair, taking my time to try and remove any build-up or any kind of dirt or sweat that must have been in my hair for the past about 2 weeks now. So yeah, that's what's up. Now to wash it. I'm sorry I won't be able to show you guys that clip, so I'll be back once I wash the hair. So guys, I'm back. Like, I just finished washing the hair, and guess what, my hair already feels very soft at the moment, like. And so according to the directions, right after this, before you go in with the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, you want to apply the Harbalblend deep conditioning treatment first. And the direction here says first apply shampoo, which I already did, then apply the Naturesgentletouch conditioning cholesterol treatment to the hair, and walk from the tip to the roots and massage gently with your finger to ensure even distribution, and leave on for 5 minutes. Then rinse out thoroughly and style. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and I'm almost out, meaning I need to get another one. So it looks just like this. It has a really good smell as well, just like the other one. So I'm going to section my hair in parts like I did the first time and apply this generously to my hair, and be right back. What I'm doing is just sectioning my hairs in different parts and applying this, and just try as much as I can to massage this onto my scalp. I really did a good job with this massage. Look at that, like I'm taking my time to make sure my hair gets all the nutrients from this product before I wash it out. So we're going to allow this sit for another 5 minutes according to the directions. And I was going to quickly read something like, what does this stuff do to you? It contains vitamin E and some vegetable proteins which repairs weak or damaged hair. Now it also prevents your hair from breaking, and it's very, very important that you guys have this stuff. And this one is so big, 425 grams, like it's a really big cup, and you get a lot of products from this. So you can actually get this entire kit for 5,950 naira. So I'll leave the link to their website in the description box below. And yeah, so I think it's almost 5 minutes already, so let's see what the hair is looking like. So guys, I'm back, and just so you know, I use lukewarm water or warm water to wash my hair, and I like to use a shirt that's like plain instead of using a towel, like the traditional towel, you guys know that. So already my hair already feels super soft, and the last thing I'm going to do is just going to change the game, like. And if you've managed to watch to this point of the video, I really want to say a big thank you. You guys are amazing. So what I'm doing right now is to use a big comb to actually detangle my hair even more, so that I can apply the last leave-in conditioner. And you want to always use a comb that's that the tooth are very that is big like this. You don't want to use a comb that's too small. It will make your hair break. So this is very important. When you use a comb like this for your hair, there's less shedding and less breakage and stuff like that. And you want to take your time to actually comb your hair from the roots out, or from the tip up to the root, and just be very careful, be very gentle with your hair, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah. And I'm just showing you guys some of the hair that, you know, came off. Can you see it's so little compared to what I used to have before? Now, step 3, all I need to do is to apply the Harbalblend Intensive Leave-In Conditioner to my scalp, my hair, and massage thoroughly, and you're good to go. You do not have to wash this out because it's actually called a leave-in conditioner. So off camera, I already applied a lot on both sides of my hair. That's why I already have it like in different sections like that. Now I'm just you know, trying to detangle some more, because it's very important to actually detangle your hair while it's wet, because when it's dry and you're trying to comb, one, is going to hurt, and two, your hair might break. So make sure your hair is well detangled. And yeah. So guys, the last but not the least is the MegaGrowth Daily Leave-In Strengthener, and I like to apply this to my hair. You guys see I'm already out. I use this product a lot, like, and it looks like this, and it smells amazing. If you have ever used this product before, please comment it down below. Like, it smells so good. The product is my absolute favorite, I won't even lie, and it's known for 3 key things. One, it strengthens, it restores, and it repairs your hair. So I'd advise you get it. So this is how I do my normal everyday hair routine, and if you like this video and if you learned anything new, please comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends, anybody you think this video might be of help. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.